the solar training facility at Madison College. It's a pretty neat pergola.
That's what goes in your backyard.
Bifacial.
Yes, sir. Take all the pictures you want. I'm gonna find the stuff I need.
It's pretty cool. They've got all kinds of different racking and examples of how to do things. There's a bunch of inverters and balance a system in there. It's pretty robust. It's an example of a flat roof. So trackers. It's an example of standing seam setup. That's what's going on my shop. That's what is on my shop.
So we would put in, because the wind is going to come up. Well, actually, if we attach it to your house, if we attach one side of it to your house, now that's the only thing to think about. If you attach it to your house, then you have to have those are optimizers, that solar edge. Okay, and each one of those, because it's attached to your house, if power gets turned off, these are supposed to shut off.
Yeah.
Have no voltage on it, even though those make 60 volts. Right? And so that's what those do. That's called rapid shutdown. That shuts down all of it. Right? But if you attach it to your house, you have to have this.
Yeah, I have a shut off for our panels now.
Okay.
Manual shut off.
Okay. That's an AC disconnect switch. Okay.
Oh, okay.
And that's a little different. We got a whole rack of them out there on the other side of the fence. And again, that's all the stuff we teach. We got block diagrams for all this stuff. It's really cool.
But still a rapid shutdown on the end phase. We'll turn.
End phase will do that as well.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
End phase will do that as well. However, if you didn't want to continue with end phase, right, and you wanted to put in a string inverter that you could eventually have batteries to, and you didn't want to put one of these on every single one of them, right? One optimizer up, the other ones are on the other side.
Yeah.
Then you would just have to make sure that it doesn't connect to your house.
Gotcha.
And the reason behind it is this. I'll show you. This is your house. Your house is on fire, and the fire department shows up, and they want to poke a hole in your roof so that they can put water in there and put your house out and maybe save it.
Yeah.
Right? And it happened in California that they got shocked. Right? Because if all these are in series, 30, this is 120 volts, 240 volts, 360 volts, 480 volts in series, right? You poke a hole in this, so rapid shutdown shuts it down to 1 volt per module. End phase will do it, and solar edge will do it.
Gotcha.
Okay, so but you'd be just fine sticking with end phase. Now, I want to show you two pieces of equipment and ask you if you have them at your house. How long have you had it in?
9 years.
You don't have these at your house. This is how you would have to add this in order, and so you'd need to do some upgrades, right? So this system allows you to connect it in, right? This is batteries.
Oh, is it?
Okay, so by putting this in and this in, now you're battery ready,
Gotcha.
right? So you'd have to do that as well, and you could tie that in just fine. So all this does, this is just AC coming in, right? So this, and that's all you do with Enphase is, you know, each individual module, which makes DC voltage, gets connected to a parallel bus of 240 volts.
Uh-huh.
And this is what allows us to connect it in. So this is the first one here, right? And it connects to the Envoy, which is this, which does the communication. Right there, you can see we're connected to the grid. Right? So you have to put some extra stuff in here, but you'd get to have that in your backyard.
Yeah. You know,
And it doesn't have to be that big. So this is
our
one, two.
patio is about half of the size.
Is it this way as well?
Yeah, I would say it is. Actually, it's probably like our house. Our patio is quite this way.
Right, so you could do 1, 2, 3, 4 by. So this is by 3. You could do a 4 by 3. That's 12 panels,
Wow.
right? And they're 580 watt panels.
Fine.
There you go.
Yeah, 'cause
It
our-
doesn't.